I just wanna be your morning light, and the sun come up with you by my side. I just wanna be your morning light. Fire burns down and the embers slow, but I never get cold when it's you I hold.
As your wife, I promise to laugh with you and cry with you. I promise to be silly with you and grow with you. I promise to nurture your dreams and help you achieve them. I even promise to watch F1 races with you every Sunday. But most importantly, I promise to love you for who you are today and who you'll become. You're my rock, my person, and my best friend, and I'm so excited to spend the rest of our lives together.
I love you, Christina, and I will work every day to deserve you and earn the privilege of calling you my wife.
When I met you, I met a universe, and now everything in my world is yours. 'Cause when I met you, I met a universe. I just wanna be your morning light, and the sun come up with you by my side. I just wanna be your morning light.